Pero ngayon, the question is, appropriate ba gumamit ng pink drying lotions sa skincare routine mo? Now, the short and simple answer is hi everyone! Kamusta kayo? My name is Angelo. Welcome to my channel and mag-uusap na naman tayo about skincare, and skincare. So, make sure to keep watching. So, ang topic natin for today is a certain spot treatment na ginagamit for acne and pimples. And this is the pink drying lotions na nakikita natin sa skincare. So in this video, pag-uusapan natin kung ang mga pink drying lotions ba ay nagwo-work, effective ba sila sa skin natin, okay ba sila gamitin sa skin natin, and kung oo, paano sila gamitin. Also, this video is in partnership with Oxecure. So without further ado, let us begin. So if hindi nyo pa alam kung ano yung mga pink drying lotions, basically sila guys yung mga skincare na nakikita nyo na nasa maliit na vial, tapos meron silang clear liquid, tapos pag tinignan nyo sa pinakababa, meron silang parang mga pink sediments na nagsisettle sa baba. Pero ano nga ba ang laman ng mga pink drying lotions na to? So usually, merong 4 ingredients na usually makikita mo sa mga pink drying lotions. And these are, number 1, salicylic acid, number 2, zinc oxide, number 3, camphor, and number 4, alcohol. Now, I know, yes, mukhang meron tayong controversial ingredient dito, but let me explain the purpose kung bakit nandito sila. Now, unahin natin yung pinaka-controversial out of these 4 ingredients, and that is alcohol. Particularly yung low molecular weight alcohol na nakikita natin sa isopropyl alcohol or ethanol and other low molecular weight alcohols. So, bakit ba nandito ang ingredient na to at ano ang purpose niya? Well guys, if napanood nyo na yung earlier video ko about alcohols, alam nyo na alcohol is not entirely bad when it comes to skincare. Mainly, ang purpose na ginagawa ng low molecular weight alcohols or yung alcohols na nasa skincare product na to is para mas mabilis ma-deliver yung mga ingredients sa skin natin. Particularly, these ingredients are salicylic acid, zinc oxide, and camphor. All of which in their own way have anti-inflammatory properties sa skin natin, which can really help sa mga pimple na galit na galit. No, isa-isayin natin yung mga ingredients na to guys. Number 1, salicylic acid, especially at 2%, not only exfoliates the skin, pero meron din siyang mga anti-inflammatory properties guys. So meron yon. Number 2, we also have zinc oxide, which is not only a UV blocker or a UV filter or a sunscreen ingredient, pero ingredient din siya to actually help soothe inflammation, and also ginagamit to sa mga creams guys na nagde-treat ng dermatitis or ng eczema, and pinaprescribe to ng ibang mga dermas para mag-lessen yung mga flares ng eczema or dermatitis sa skin. So it's actually really well researched that zinc oxide has anti-inflammatory properties on the skin. Lastly, we have camphor, which is actually medyo controversial ingredient din siya because half-half yung mga dermas dito. Yung camphor guys, particularly white camphor, hindi yellow or brown kasi sobrang toxic yung mga kinds of camphor na yon. Yung white camphor is nahanap natin in products that relieve pain and inflammation on the skin, gaya na lang ng Vicks Vapor Rub or Tiger Balm. Now again, half-half ang mga derms dito. Merong ibang mga derms na hindi nila masyadong nagugustuhan yung paggamit ng camphor sa mga skincare ng patients nila because it does have a potential to sensitize the skin. However, on the other hand, meron ding ibang mga dermas na nagpa-publish ng studies that say otherwise, na ang camphor daw might actually help treat wounds and might actually help soothe inflammation on the skin. And this is probably why in-include nila yung camphor sa mga pink drying lotions, particularly para ma-lessen yung inflammation, para ma-soothe or ma-relieve yung pagmamaga ng skin na na-inflamed dahil sa pimple. Provided na, like with any skincare product, hiyang ka rito. So okay, ngayon alam na natin yung purpose ng mga ingredients. Again, ginagamit yung alcohol para mas mabilis ma-deliver ang mga anti-inflammatory ingredients gaya ng salicylic acid, zinc oxide, and camphor para hindi masyadong mamaga yung affected skin na merong pimple. Pero ngayon, the question is, appropriate ba gumamit ng pink drying lotions sa skincare routine mo? Now, the short and simple answer is, provided na number 1, meron kang isa or a few na galit na pimple na parang sobrang red na red at sobrang masakit at malaki sila, and parang kailangan mo ng emergency care product to treat it. Or number 2, if meron kang mangilan-ngilan na mga active pimples na gusto mong medyo mas mabilis yung paggaling nila. Now, notice nyo guys na very specific tayo dito sa konting-konting pimples lang, and wala akong masyadong sinabi na parang for acne-prone skin or generally for oily skin or parang skin na maraming acne. And the reason guys is because kailangan nating alalahanin na ito ay isang spot treatment. Kapag masyado ka na maraming tinatreat na spot sa skin mo, hindi na siya spot treatment. Magiging isang area na siya na nilagay mo yung skincare product na yon. And sobrang no-no yon sa mga products gaya ng mga pink drying lotions because guys, alcohol-based yung mga products na to guys, and they only work well in small amounts and in small applications to the skin. Kaya pag in-apply mo to sa buong balat mo, hindi siya makakatulong. It's actually going to be counterproductive. So, baka pwede pang lumala yung sitwasyon ng pimple or overall ng skin mo. So, again, uulitin ko guys ha, spot treatments are only appropriate kung gagamitin mo lang sila for a few spots. Kung marami ka ng pimples sa face mo, ibig sabihin nun guys, medyo severe na yung acne nyo and hindi na makakatulong overall ang mga spot treatments. Minention ko na sa mga previous videos ko guys, pero you can check for free consultations from dermas sa pds.org.ph. Check nyo yung mga accredited institutions, or you can also check the Philippine Dermatological Society's Facebook page. Malala na talaga sobra yung acne nyo, this is one action that you can take, and also magbibigay pa yung mga dermas ng mas appropriate na products sa'yo than spot treatments. Now again, going back, if appropriate to sa'yo gamitin, may mga mangilan-ngilang pimples ka lang na kailangan mong i-treat or parang gusto mong gumaling ng mas mabilis, then you can maybe try a pink drying lotion that can work for your skin. Now actually guys, maraming pink drying lotions na available sa market ngayon, but personally, my pink drying lotion brand of choice is from Oxecure, and this is the Acne Clear Potion. The salicylic acid percentage of this is at 2%, which is not only a percent that will exfoliate the skin, but it's also a percentage wherein anti-inflammatory na siya. And not only that, but it also has our favorite ingredient in this channel, which is niacinamide. And which, kung hindi nyo alam kung bakit namin sinasamba ang niacinamide sa channel na to, it is because ang dami-dami niya talagang benefits for the skin. But one in particular is it can help with a dark spot that might form after magkaroon ka ng pimple. Now guys, sa totoo lang talaga, before the time na ginagamit ko na tong Acne Clear Potion, ang gamit ko talaga before na parang go-to ko was a tube of benzoyl peroxide. Tapos ilalagay ko lang siya sa skin ko as a spot treatment. However, medyo na-realize ko na ang benzoyl peroxide, while it is good also, medyo may kamahalan siya at around 500 pesos na ata yung pinakamura niya. Tapos kung gusto mo kunin yung malaki, aabot ka ng 1,000. However, I decided to give this Acne Clear Potion a try, and ito medyo mas mura to guys. I think this is around 350 pesos. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa skin ko the night before, and then the next day paggising ko, medyo nag-dry up na yung pimple or medyo nag-lessen na yung redness niya. And speaking of nilalagay guys, actually i-demo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano ba ginagamit ang mga pink drying lotions. So, kukunin natin ang Oxecure Acne Clear Potion natin. And we will also be getting our reusable cotton swab from Oxecure para hindi tayo sayang sa mga cotton swabs. Side note, kung gusto nyo rin to i-check out, lahat ng mga products na i-mention ko sa video na to are in the description box below. So, may mga links doon, guys. Check nyo na lang. So, ang unang-una yung dapat i-check is if nagsisettle na ba yung mga pink sediments dito sa baba ng vial. Kasi, guys, kapag shinake nyo siya, magiging parang pink liquid na siya. Para siyang magiging, strawberry milk. Strawberry milk! Remember, guys, wag nyong i-shake yung product. Kung na-shake nyo yung product at naging parang strawberry milk siya, antayin nyo muna ang mag-settle yung product. Iwan nyo muna, itabi nyo muna, at antayin nyo. Siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes, magsisettle na ulit yan. Kapag nagsettle na siya, kunin nyo lang yung reusable cotton swab nyo at i-dip nyo siya sa loob at make sure na matatouch ng cotton swab yung pink sediments para may makuha siya. And gently, i-dot nyo lang siya sa face nyo. Hindi nyo siya kailangan masyadong i-spread, guys. And Also, a little goes a really long way. So just be very careful in using the product. Unti-unti lang. After that, pwede nyong paypayin ng konti para medyo mag-dry siya. And there you have it. Iwan nyo lang for a minimum of 6 hours and then pwede nyo na siyang ibanlaw. Side note lang din guys, usually ginagamit ko to at night because syempre pag sa umaga meron tayong mga hanash-hanash. So, hindi naman pwedeng puro mga pink spots sa face natin, lalong-lalo na kung meron tayong mga meeting or kung ano man for work or for school. Also guys, ginagamit ko lang to around the first 3 days na parang sobrang red at galit yung pimple ko. And then usually, nagre-resolve naman na siya after 3 days. Pero minsan guys, kapag pagaling na siya, minsan flat na siya, pero may pagka-red pa rin siya. And usually guys, kapag ganun na nangyayari, minsan naglalagay na ako ng parang calming serum na merong parang Centella asiatica or green tea. Pero, at times, kapag sobrang namumula talaga siya, ang dinadagdag ko naman is the powder mud from Oxecure. Medyo similar yung formula niya doon sa Acne Clear Potion, pero ang difference niya is, ito naman, medyo water-based na to, kesa dun sa isa na parang alcohol-based. Kapag meron ka kasing mga red marks, guys, minsan medyo kailangan mo nang iwasan yung sobrang alcohol-based. So, makakuha mo pa rin yung anti-inflammatory benefits ng salicylic acid, ng zinc oxide, and ng camphor para ma-lessen yung redness ng spot. And ang maganda dito, guys, is there's less of a drying action and more of just the soothing action on the skin. So, these two products might actually be a good parang emergency first aid kit na pwede mong gamitin for pimples na biglaan na lang lumalabas yung mga hindi mo talaga in-expect. Let me know as well kung ano ba ang naging experience nyo sa mga products na to. Kung nagamit nyo na sila, kung nakapaggamit na ba kayo ng Pink Drying Lotions, ano ang naging results nyo from them. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video informative, please do leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. And as always, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!